Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Wroclaw with Monika. Today I have a special episode about Wroclaw, but from a slightly different perspective. In this video I will share useful information for moms. Have you ever wondered where to change your baby in a public place? Whether you are a local mom or just came to the city, or maybe you are expecting and would like to be prepared, this episode is for you. I'm a mom too, and at the beginning I struggled with those stuff, so now I would like to share what I've learned. Okay, so let's review changing feeding rooms in Wroclaw, plus some cool places to spend time with your kid. I will start with the one at the airport. So we have two baby care rooms at the airport, one before the security check and the other one after the security check. How does it look? Where there's a wooden chair and a space to put your baby, but that's it. I mean, you can also wash your hands. After the security check, no surprises there, the baby care room looks exactly the same. Well, the picture on the wall is different. To be honest, I was surprised, especially after visiting so many nice changing rooms in Wrocław. I mean, really, at the airport, when you spend so much time waiting for a flight, I would expect something more. Will this be improved? I hope so. The next one, and don't worry, this one is better, is the shopping center Galeria Dominikańska. The changing room located on -1 is small but really nice, with beautiful wallpaper and armchair with a nice green color. There's a microwave in case you need to heat up a milk. The changing table has a cover. It is a nice room. You need to call security to open the door, but it will take a few seconds. Minuses? Well, one, but very important. There's only one room like this in the whole building. I mean, I don't count the changing room in LuxMed, the private medical provider, or in Linden Park, the cool inside playground for kids with lots of wooden toys located on +1, but you need to pay to get in. As for 30,000 square meters of commercial areas located on 3 floors in Galeria Dominikańska, there's only one changing room. So don't be surprised when you need to wait, as it's occupied. Recently renovated shopping center from 1930, Renoma, today also an office space, has two changing feeding rooms. The first one is on the ground floor next to Pedet, and the other one is on -1 near the lift. Both are in a classic elegant style, clean and tidy. Good that you have a loo inside too. If it's busy, you can check the one for people with disabilities, as there is a changing table as well. As we are near the National Forum of Music, let's cover this one now. You may probably don't know, but you can use the changing room in a recently opened cafe. The entrance is on the left from the main one, near the moat. You can not only buy some beverages like a coffee, but also your kid can play in this cute inside playground with lots of different toys. Please remember to take your kids' shoes off, if there are any, while entering the carpet. The loo at the changing room are on the right, opposite the lift. Here is the menu of the cafe. Do you wonder where to go with other moms? This is a perfect place to hang out. Are you a Wrocław Dwarfs fan? You can find the whole orchestra of dwarfs nearby. Pasaż Grunwaldzki, our next place to check. In this shopping center, we have what we need on every floor. On floor +1 and 0, there are small but nice rooms with comfortable armchairs, changing tables and microwaves. The one located on +2 floor, close to the parking entrance and food area, is much bigger, with 2 armchairs, a small table for kids, microwave and a changing table. A big plus for the name, as it's called parents' room, not mother's room, as men can always change diapers, right? Another big plus for the low sink for kids and the loo just behind the patrician. And then we have -1 floor with a quite new restroom near the parking entrance, where the changing and feeding room is also spacious, with 2 armchairs and 2 changing tables. There's also a sink for kids and a loo. You can find there a microwave and some toys for kids on the wall. Neon balloons create pleasant vibes. Useful information: in Passage Grunwaldzki on +2 floor you can find the colorful kids play zone for free. There's a heater and a microwave in the zone where parents can warm up their children meals. In Wrocławia, another shopping center, we have a baby lounge with 2 changing tables, a microwave, a nice comfortable armchair and a screen that you can hide behind if you need some privacy. There's also a loo, one for kids and the other one for adults, and also 2 sinks, which is awesome. As we are in Wrocławia, I would like to tell you about Fikołki. Have you heard about it? It's a cool inside playground with a cafe located on the top floor. In a week during the day, and if your kid is under 2 years old, you can enter for only 19.99 Polish zloty with no time limits. Just ask for a card for a baby. There is a special area for toddlers. Near Wrocławia, we have the main railway station. Now, I don't know why one of the most beautiful railway stations in Poland has such a poor parent room that looks like this. And you have to pay 4.5 Polish zloty to get in. I won't even comment on this. What you need to know if you really have to use it is that all restrooms in the station are charged for a fee and a pay card is acceptable. There are 3 restrooms, one in the left wing near the Biedronka shop, one in the right wing near the police station and the 3rd one here. It is easy to find them with those signs. The cleaning lady needs to open the door for your stroller. Hopefully she will be there. Those 2 in the wings are on a raised platform, but you can easily get there with a stroller by a ramp on each corner. There's also a ramp outside near the subway. The 3rd parent room looks like this. So you would say it's fine. Well, at the corner were some cleaning stuff and the wet towels that the camera didn't catch, with a very bad smell. So I would rather use the one near the police station, which is cleaner. If you are on the market square, you can use the restroom in the backyard of the Pan Tadeusz Museum, located in a beautiful tenement house called Under the Golden Sun. You don't have to pay to go inside, just use those doors and go straight to the end. The restroom with the changing table is on the left, in here. There's also a small indoor playground for kids in here. Remember that the place is closed on Mondays. In Magnolia Park, another shopping center, we have 5 changing feeding rooms, 2 on the ground floor and 3 on +1. 4 are small but nice and clean with armchairs, changing tables and sinks. 2 next to Primark, 1 next to Pepco and 1 next to KFC. The 5th one near Toys Box shop on +1 is the biggest, with a microwave, a loo for kids and armchairs with curtains. In Magnolia Park there's also an outdoor playground near the main entrance, and you can rent an umbrella-type stroller at the information desk. Good to know, right? Now, do you know where you can change and feed your baby the highest in Wrocław? In Sky Tower viewpoint on 49th floor you can find a feeding changing room with a red light inside, which is probably the highest room in Poland. Does Warsaw have a baby lounge any higher? There's a comfortable armchair, a small table, a sink, a changing table and a cute drawings on the wall. If you are planning to shop in IKEA, there are also cute and nice parents' room. Check yourself. Please be aware that besides those places that we covered today, there are usually changing tables in restaurant toilets. But make sure to check that first, because I was disappointed several times. What do you think about those changing feeding rooms? Share your experience. Maybe there's a place you could recommend for other moms, or maybe there's one that we should all avoid. Let me know in the comment section below. Check my other videos about Wrocław and don't forget to subscribe. There's also Wrocław with Monika on Facebook if you are interested to learn more about the city. See you soon!